Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Maclaurin series problems look scary, but we can solve this quickly. We need the fourth derivative at 0 for the specific infinite power series summation. First, we identify the term containing x to the fourth power. Since the exponent is 2 times n, we set n equal to 2 to find our specific target term here. Now substitute n equals 2 into the general formula. This gives us negative 2 squared divided by 2, which simplifies to 4 divided by 2, resulting in a coefficient of 2. Equate this to the Taylor formula coefficient. Multiply 2 by 4 factorial, 24, to get 48. Option D is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option D.